Honor.
Additionally, if you fail to move out by February 28th, Mr. Flesland's or Mr. Sagati's office will likely submit to me an application order of eviction, and once I sign that document, you'll be living every day not knowing if someone will come to the home and displace you, your family, and your property from the home. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
All right, so as long as you move out by February 28th, you'll be fine. If not, life can get a little more complicated. Ms. Bohannon, does Ms. Aljabori have your permission to sign your name on the document that will make this agreement official with the court?
Yes, she does.
All right. Ms. Aljabori, do you need to speak to Ms. Bohannon any further, or is she all set?
She's all set.
Ms. Bohannon, you're free to disconnect. You'll receive the signed paperwork in the mail in a week or two.
Thank you.
Ms. Aljabari, you're going to prepare the CD?
Yes, I'll prepare that and send it to you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Flesland. I'll call the next matter. This is case number 223-96779, Mark Ridden, R-I-D-E-N, versus Dazan, D-E-Z-A-W-E-M, Hardwick, and all occupants' appearances for the record, beginning with Mr. Flesland.
Yes, Your Honor. Dennis Flesland, P30289, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff. This is a subsequent hearing on a termination complaint for the property at 7410 Hanover in Detroit.
All right. Is anyone present that resides at 7410 Hanover in the city of Detroit? If you're present and you reside at that address, please unmute yourself and state your name. Mr. Flesland, I show the service was accomplished by posting on January 8th, 2023. That makes this a subsequent hearing. No one from the address has appeared. How does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, we request a default judgment of possession.
The court will enter the default judgment. If someone arrives prior to the end of the morning docket, the court will reach out to you and ask you to rejoin the Zoom hearing. If we're unsuccessful, we may set a new date, but the court may still enter the default judgment. If no one appears by the end of the morning docket, the court will sign the default upon receipt.
Very good, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
My case has come back up.
This is case number 778.
My attorney just sent me a text saying was the 28th okay for this guy to get out, and I just said yes.
778. I don't see it in my
Oh, you
step.
did?
Yeah, I don't see it in my step. That's the problem. All right. Well, this is case number 223-96778. Nationwide Community versus all occupants. Appearances for the record, beginning with Mr. Flesland.
Yes, Your Honor. Dennis Flesland, P30289.
Mr. Flesland, your audio went out a little bit, please.
Oh, sorry, Judge. Dennis Flesland, P30289, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff. Your Honor, this is a subsequent hearing on a termination complaint for the property at 1999 Stouffville in the city of Detroit.
All right. Is there anyone present that resides at 1999 Stouffville in the city of Detroit? If you're present,
I used to stay at Stouffville, but I don't.
Wait, ma'am. What is your name?
Rashida Moore.
Miss Moore, when did you leave the property?
I left, January 1st. March the 15th?
March the 15th of 2022?
Yes.
You've been gone a year?
Yes.
Mr. Flesland, I don't think this pertains to you then, because this complaint was filed after that. Mr. Flesland, when was the complaint filed? For some reason, I don't have the ROA on this case.
Your Honor, the complaint was filed, looks like December 9th.
So this doesn't have anything to do with you. It's for any tenants that live there from December 9th on forward. So that's not you.
Okay, so it came in my name? That's
It's not. It's an all occupants case. It's not in your name at all. Mr. Flesland, do you show anyone's name on here, or is it just all occupants?
No, Your Honor. This is 19994 Stouffville. Is that the correct address?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Mine is 1993.
Oh, yeah. So that's you're not. You can call my courtroom and see when your case is available. But wait, I'm on the record, so I'm just gonna chat you the number because I'm on a record in another case. So you'll have to call my courtroom. All right.
Okay.
So Mr. Flesland, back to this case. Can you tell me what's the date of service, please?
Yes, Your Honor. The date of service, it was served personally on a person named Marcus Thigpen on December 20th.
All right.
And that was served by Officer Steve Mason of the District Court.
All right, that makes this a subsequent hearing. No one from the address has appeared. How does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, we request a default judgment of possession.
The court will enter the default judgment unless someone from the address appears prior to the end of the morning docket. If someone does appear, the court will reach out to you and ask you to rejoin the Zoom hearing. If we're unsuccessful, the court may set a new date. If a new date is set, your office will be notified. The court may still enter the default judgment, but if no one appears by the end of the morning docket, the court will sign the default upon receipt.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. This is case number 22396-780. The plaintiff's first name is R-A-U-L. The last name is Munoz versus Brandy Shepard and all occupants. Appearances for the record, beginning with Mr. Flesland.
Yes, Your Honor. Dennis Flesland, P30289 for the plaintiff. This is a subsequent hearing on a termination complaint for the property at 11414 Metatal in Detroit. We are moving to dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Anyone present that resides at 11414 Metatal in the city of Detroit? If you're present, Ms. Shepard, state your name.
Brandy Shepard.
Ms. Shepard, the matter is being dismissed. You'll receive the dismissal in the mail, and there will be no action pending against you, at least in my courtroom.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're free to disconnect.
I think I just have one with Miss Washington. She's talking to her client, so that's it for me. I'll just wait.
Let's see what I don't see another case for you on my docket.
No, you've called them all.
Oh, the recall.
We've got a recall with Heather. Heather was talking to somebody in the breakout room.
All right.
I said okay on the 28th. How come they didn't say nothing?
Mr. Yaldo, I don't see you on my docket. Can you unmute yourself and tell me if you have a case number?
I don't get it.
But wait, no, what's your name, ma'am? I was talking to someone else. What's your name?
Rita Jesse.
I didn't hear you.
Rita Jesse.
All right, yes, I don't have you on my docket, so you would need to get the case number for me.
Okay, could you hold on for a sec?
Yes, I'll place you on mute. Just unmute when you're ready. Mr. Yaldo, do you have a case number?
Yes.
Wait 1 second. Madam Clerk, are you ready for the case number? Madam Clerk, if you responded, I did not hear you.
Pardon me, Your Honor?
Are you ready to copy the case number or put the case number in the system?
Ready to copy. I was on the phone, sorry.
That's okay. Mr. Yaldo, go ahead and give the case number, please.
22394231.
Oh, 423. What's the case number again?
22394231.
No, that's not on my docket today.
Today's Friday, the 2/10/23 at 10:50.
I think it was probably we removed it to 533, but let me just confirm that.
I had another one that said.
Wait.
Yes, Your Honor, it was transferred to 533.
All right, so Mr. Yaldo, when you logged in and you put a meeting ID, in the middle of that meeting ID, you put 431. You need to put 533. Just replace 431 for 533 and you'll be in the right courtroom.
Okay.
Your Honor, I think Judge Sabri has moved to 436. I made that mistake this morning as well.
He is. Put in 436 instead of 533. Okay. Put in 436 instead of the 431 that you put in 436.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, I forgot. I was going to tell them to go to 533 just for them to tell them to go to 436.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Galaxy, have you found a case number yet? Unmute yourself, please. I can't hear you unless you unmute. All right, have you located the case number?
Yes, I have.
Madam Clerk, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go right ahead, ma'am.
It's 22396-778. 22396-778. Yes. What I just did. Scheduled today at 9:55. It's all for me. Northwest Community. Oh, that's the default we just took. All right, Mr. Flesland, we need to go back on the record in the default.
Still here, Judge. Which one?
Case ending in 778.
Let me grab it.
Is that what, were those the last 3 digits of the case number, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. All right. Oh, I think that's the one I didn't have. All right, recalling case number 22396-778 Nationwide Community versus All Occupants. Mr. Flesland, just go ahead and do the appearances again, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Dennis Flesland, P30289 for the plaintiff.
State the property address and type.
This is a property termination complaint for the property at 19994 Stopel in the city of Detroit.
Ma'am, that resides at that address. Please state your name. Rita Jesse. All right, Miss Jesse, do you still reside at 19994 Stopel? Yes. All right, so today is the second hearing. They want their property back. I have to return their property to them. When can you move from the property?
I need at least 30 days because I have grandkids that I have to, and I don't have a car right now.
All right, can I have an agency attorney to speak to? Did you say your last name was Nichols?
Jesse.
Jesse, sorry. It's just, it doesn't say it on the screen. So. I need an agency attorney. Well, I mean, it really doesn't matter. I don't really need an agency attorney on this one, except to explain what will happen if she does not move from the property by March the 10th. That'll be the 30 days, because this is an all occupants case. So her name is not on the complaint at all anyway. So, Ms. Jessie, I'm going to place you in a breakout room with Ms. Aljabori. She's going to tell you what's going to happen. A judgment is going to enter, and she's going to say everybody in the home needs to be out of the home by March 10th, and she'll tell you what happens if someone is still in the home after March 10th. She'll tell you what will happen at that point. So, Ms. Jessie, once you're done speaking to Ms. Aljabori, you're free to disconnect. Ms. Aljabori, I'm going to place her in breakout room 3 with you and the other people that you have with you. Is that fine? Yes. Ms. Jessie, you're going to see something on your screen that says join breakout room 3. When you see it, hit that button. You should see it right now. Ms. Washington, are we ready to go back on the record with the DeMarcus Robinson?
Before we leave that one, I just want to make sure we're going to continue with the default judgment, but have a March 10 move-out date.
Yeah, it'll be a hearing judgment just because she appeared.
Okay.
Yep.
That's fine, Judge. All set.
All right. Ms. Washington, are we ready? Yes, we are. All right. Recalling case number 22396-777. William Woods versus DeMarcus Robinson and all other occupants. Ms. Washington, you had an opportunity to go into the breakout room with Mr. Washington. Mr. Robinson, can you please update the court?
I did speak with Mr. Robinson about a conditional dismissal with the move-out date of February 28th. He does understand that he needs to be out of the home, all of his items out of the home and keys returned to the landlord by that date, and he is able to do so in agreement with the conditional dismissal.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Mr. Robinson, please unmute yourself. Mr. Robinson, the paperwork that the lawyers are preparing for the court means you will not have an eviction on your record. But if you fail to move by February 28th, you likely will have an eviction on your record. Do you understand?
Yes.
Additionally, if you fail to move by February 28th, Mr. Stigati's office will likely submit to me an application order of eviction. If they submit that to me, I'm going to sign it because I made you aware that you needed to move by February 28th. And once I sign that document, you'll be living every day not knowing if someone will come to the home and displace you, your family, and your property from the home. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so as long as you move by February 28th, you'll be fine. If not, life can get just a little more complicated, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Robinson, does Ms. Washington have your permission to sign your name on the document that will make this agreement official with the court?
Yes, she does.
All right, Ms. Washington, do you need to speak to Mr. Robinson any further, or is he all set?
No, he's all set.
All right, thank you. Mr. Robinson, you're free to disconnect.
And Ms. Washington, just send that CD to Mr. Sagati.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, can you reach out to both Mr. Cox's office and Ms. Wyrock's office? Because I'm leaving at 10.
I've been trying to get this damn guy out of here since May of 2022.
Mr. Gerder is here.
And here it is today, February the 10th, 2023. Finally.
And just let me know
Finally.
that I have to go cover Judge Bruce. If she's not here, then she'll have to wait till I come back, and I think she probably doesn't want to do that. All right, Mr. Gerder, I'll call Mr. Cox's matter now. Let me see. Zoom user, that's what the screen says. Can you tell me your name, please?
Rashida Moore.
Miss Moore, what time was your hearing scheduled for?
10:15.
Oh, yes. If that's the case, I'm about to call right now, Miss Moore, so just stay right there.
Okay.